guys, you have to be inside the tank that way.
Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure out to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Continue through. You can't block this walkway. My friends, you have to continue.
You've taken your first step into a land of work. That's not a moon. It's a space station.
Good five standing by.
The force is strong.
your personal healthcare companion.
That's Baymax.
Baymax, brakes,
When he has a suit.
thrusters, fine. Makes me a better healthcare companion.
Should have pressed the button.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Oh, snap. Who's that? Huh? No. No. Close. They're in space. Our dog is named after that. Guardians. Who's that?
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are two types of ants in the forest. Those who dance and
Oh,
those
that's
who do
Mantis.
not.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy. Did that look cool? Yeah.
Who's that? Bo Peep. Wait, Bob.
What is that?
Wait.
That's a favorite god. Not a favorite god. Not a favorite god. Oh. Oh, you know, you have that too.
Who's that? Pegasus.
Isn't that from the
I know, that's what it is.
what's that? A jumping stop. Stop. No, stop. I think that's stop for babies. Let's see the bell.
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have